So we're going to be doing sway bar links. Not sure if I covered this in the last part of this video. We're going to be doing brakes and rotors and a slew of other stuff, calipers. Same vehicle. It's got a busted sway bar link. Same with the other side. It wasn't quite as bad as this one, but always replace these in pairs. Alright. Now, see how rusty that is, and if you were watching this on a different YouTube channel, you'd see that they would just crank away at this and this nut would come right off. But here in Indiana, that ain't coming off. I mean, so it's a cutoff job. So as usual, I got my cheap, I don't even know what brand this is, Hitachi. Bought it out at Menards a buku amount of years ago for like 30-40 bucks. Got a 4.5 inch cutoff wheel from DeWalt. Everybody says they're junk, but I use them all the time. They're really cheap. Buy them at Lowe's for, I don't know, I'll leave them in the description. But it's a 4.5 inch disc. We're just gonna go ahead and give these a couple slices to get these off so we can install the new ones. It's gonna save you so much time. You can do this in less than probably 5 or 10 minutes. So I got the wheel, this is the driver's side, so I got the wheel turned all the way to the right. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take care of, okay, I'll probably just take care of the top first so I can get this bar out of the way. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be cutting in between the part of the shock and the back part of here. That way I can just pound the nut through. Oh, here goes nothing. Now I know it's not all the way through, but there we go. Some part of it's breaking off. Get this out of my way. Here. I mean, the ball's still in there, but at least this part's gone and out of my way, ready to be scrapped. This is got that ball on the back. So we'll just keep on, we're almost there. Oh, crappy old magnet lights. They don't really work very well. So pretty much when you get to the back, it's the ball's gone right here. Just need to get a tiny bit of back. You just gotta shave it down. Like so. Got a 19mm. It's loose. Alright, so that usually never takes that long, but that's what you're caught up with, just that little tiny piece right here on the back. We'll take it in and we'll have to cut off this one. I'm going to do this, probably going to do this one in the same spot, like right here going down. Definitely want to make sure you don't have any exposed skin. Unfortunately, every time I reach out, my shirt comes up off my arms. So the factory is a 19, the aftermarket is an 18. So you're gonna need for the brand that I'm gonna put down in the description, you're gonna need a 5mm Allen key, so you can hold the center bolt still while you tighten up the nut. That. And then you tighten up the other one the same way. So that's how it'll look when it's all done, nice and shiny and brand new. We're going to put some new brakes and rotors and caliper, both front calipers on here, and get them back on the road safely.